谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。
This is your essential phrase for thank you. It works in any situation, from a clerk handing you change to a friend doing you a big favor. It's always polite and appreciated.
不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气。
This is the standard polite response to thank you, equivalent to you're welcome.
不好意思，不好意思，不好意思，不好意思。
This is a versatile and very useful phrase. It can be a soft excuse me to get someone's attention, a light sorry for a minor bump, or a way to express slight embarrassment.
对不起，对不起，对不起，对不起。
This is a more formal and sincere apology than use it when you've made a more significant mistake, caused inconvenience, or need to apologize seriously.
没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系。
This is the most common and gracious way to accept an apology. It means it's okay or no problem and helps put the other person at ease.
没事儿，没事儿，没事儿，没事儿。
This is a more casual, relaxed version of often used among friends. It downplays the issue, like saying it's nothing or don't worry about it.
麻烦你了，麻烦你了，麻烦你了，麻烦你啦。
Use this to express thanks while acknowledging that you've imposed on someone or asked for a favor. It conveys sorry to trouble you and thank you for your help at the same time.
辛苦你了，辛苦你了，辛苦你了，辛苦你了。
This phrase shows appreciation for someone's hard work or effort. Say it to a colleague who stayed late, a friend who helped you move, or a service worker. It means something like, thanks for your hard work.